Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. In today's video, I will help you how to use the Tailwind Ghostwriter. It's really new feature and it's really cool because you get a lot of ideas for almost everything you need for your YouTube titles, for your article titles. In less than even 10 minutes, you can write a blog article. So when you sign up for your Tailwind dashboard, then you go to all labs and then we go blog article. On the left, you have everything that you need and wherever you want to use the ghostwriting. So you click on from idea to full article, and then you see here from idea to full article. And let's say you want to write an article. What's the article about? As you can see here, you have generate title ideas, generate outline, generate full article. So let's say it's just an example for you to see how to grow your business online. So you click here. It's really cool and it's very easy. And here you have all the ideas for your title, and it also is giving you some introduction. So let's see 5 surprising ways to boost your business online, the ultimate guide to online business growth. So it's giving you fabulous ideas. I mean, honestly, it's really cool. So let's go for the first one and then go continue. So here you can have the title, the summary, and you can also add keywords and phrases, of course, and then generate outline. Again, it's an example for you to see. So you will see the next. You can write a whole article. As you can see here, this is how cool it is. It's giving you the title, it's giving you the introduction, and then you have subheadings for your blog posts. So you can create, I'm just choosing one, interactive content. I'm choosing this one, create interactive content, and then I go add. And then you have the conclusion. I mean, you write your article and then generate full article. And as you can see on the right hand side, is giving you is copy and paste and editing all the article. Of course, you can write the headings. It's giving you idea. Look, it's giving you more ideas of all the subheadings for you. So it's really, really cool. Don't forget to use the link below, and you really need to upgrade to that because it's going to help you get a lot of ideas. Because don't forget that content marketing strategy is very important, and you grow your business by creating the right content. So this is an example, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and have a great day.